Now, first of all, we're going to run through a minor blues in G minor, and I'm going to be playing B flat, E flat, and F. So those are the three chords I'm going to be playing, and Ranjan is going to be playing a standard sort of minory blues in G. So take it away. Well, there we are, no problems there. Because Ranjan's playing a strong G minor, my B flat suddenly thinks it's a G minor 7th, and that's why it fits. Anyway, let's go on to another few songs that you might come across at jams and things. Stormy Monday has a 9th chord in it, which is a sort of a strange chord. It's got an A and an F in it, which is the 2nd and the 7th of the G progression, and 7 and 2 make 9, so they call it a 9th chord. I can't do that little triangle with my slide, or I could play it. So I have to just play the outside notes, the 4th string and 2nd string on the 3rd fret, which also fits into the minors as well, but we won't confuse things. So that's my 9th chord, is just 2 notes. And the Allman Brothers do all sorts of funny things. They go up and down. Anyway, we'll carry on with this, and you'll notice in the middle there's an A minor 7th, a B minor 7th, a B flat minor 7th. What are you meant to do with that? Well, if you've been paying attention, you'll know that the 3rd fret is, if someone else is doing a strong G, a G minor 7th. So a C chord is in fact an A minor 7th, it just doesn't know it yet. And up here the D chord is a B minor 7th, it just doesn't know it, and B flat minor 7th. So Ranjan, let's start Stormy Monday and see how we get on. And you might have noticed that what was an A minor 7th chord became a C chord just because Ranjan was thumping away on a C at the bottom. So that's the way I do that. Sleepwalk is another common tune, usually played on a lap steel, which will have a minor triad somewhere in it to do a proper minor job. But I haven't got that, so instead I'll be doing my A as my C chord at the top 3 strings. I'll drop down a string to do my A minor, but those 3 notes are in A minor 7th, and then I'll go to an F, which is in fact G sharp, but it's those 3 notes happen to be in F minor 7th, and then for my G chord I'll take everything off there. So let's run through that a couple of times, and I'll show you how my minors work with that. That seems to work for me. I'm not playing great big chords there because sometimes you have to be a little bit careful and not swamp the other instrument. In the middle 8 of Sleepwalk, it goes from F to F minor, this might be somewhere where I could use my fretting behind the slide technique. So I could go from F, I could fret behind the slide to F minor, or I can go from F to my F minor, which is of course either this fret here or the 13th fret here. So let's try the middle 8, Ranjan. There we go, that seemed to work quite well. Nobody knows you when you're down and out, the last one I've chosen. And that's got a D minor, a D minor change right in the middle of it. And you might be put off if you're a slide player, but in fact, it's not too difficult, especially if you've got someone else doing the work. You don't have to play great big chords. You can let the other guitarists do the work, and you just mess around on top. So Ranjan, shall we run through that a couple of times? Well, you may have noticed there, I didn't play my D minor up here. I played it down here. Those two notes there are in D minor, and if you watch the first one, you notice that there was one of the first G minors we found was that one. There's a C minor there and D minor there. So because I've got A, I could have gone up here and played the D minor like on my F as part of the F chord, but it's much more convenient to go just moving a semitone here. So that's why I did that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed what we did today, and carry on sliding.